Hi, I am Abdul Wajid. I have created this software named Speech to Text. You can record in it, you can play your recording, you can get your words documented. There are many languages like English, Arabic, Filipino, British English, American English, German, Italian. There are two options for that. First one is you can just give an audio file to the software, and second one is you can have a chat with it. And in response, it will give you a file, and you can get the software in both desktop and web application. And the major use is that you can use it for your lectures, meetings, conference. And the unique thing in that is it works perfectly fine without any internet connection. I have made a demo for it. Let's have a look. Happy watching. Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you? Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim.